This is bringing me comfort. Hey y'all. All right, so thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be installing some more hair from RastAfri. This is gonna be my birthday hair. I'm so excited. Okay. Also, I'm just popping. I just had a fudge round, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be trying this new method. Well, I guess it's not new, it's new to me. To do the perimeter. If you haven't watched my other video about 2022 illusion crochet braids, go check that out. That's the normal way that I do my illusion crochet. But I had someone, and I don't know if she wants me to tell her name or not. I inboxed her and asked her, but she hasn't seen it yet, so I don't know. But she had seen a video and she sent it to me, and she was like, have you tried it this way? And I'm like, no, I haven't. I'm gonna try that. So we're gonna try it with this hair. I will put all the information down, as like, if I can find it again, I will put the link down there of the video that she sent me. But yeah, we're gonna try it a different way. We're gonna see what's up with it. We're gonna see how it works or whatever. We're gonna give a review. Okay, I mean, I'm sure it's fine, because if I'm not mistaken, that's probably the way they've been doing it in these classes that they've been teaching. But of course, I won't take the class, because, you know, I want to be able to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? And if you take the class, I'm pretty sure you have to sign something that you won't go online and tell everybody, which I don't understand it. I mean, whatever, you know? Like, if you want to learn, you want to learn. If you want to do it, you want to do it. People still going to want to get their hair done regardless. You know, if they used to get their hair done, it's not going to stop them. You know what I'm saying? Anyway. With that being said, I just won't pay or invest in the class, because I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be able to tell y'all. But anyway, this was a public video that was out there, and so I was like, oh, okay, shoot, they put it on out there, so let's put it together and let's just, you know, let's just see. Because just because they're doing it on the client's head don't mean that it's DIY friendly. We don't know that. So let's just try it. And I'm gonna try it with my birthday hair. So this hair, it is H20 Ocean Wave by RastAfri, and it is in color 1B. Usually when I do an Ocean Wave, y'all know I like to do me a little Cruella, but I think I want to be, and that's cool, that's fine. So let's get right into it. How did I get in here? How many packs did they send me? I think I want me some like big Texas giving hair. I think I might want that. You know what I'm saying? So they send me enough. Lord knows. Let's see how many Texas is. How long is it? It don't have an inch on there. I don't know how long it is, but we'll see in a minute where it's gonna fall at. Let's see how many packs I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. It's 10 packs. Yeah. I usually use about 5 or 6 sometimes, depending on how big I want it. So I know we got plenty. Maybe I have enough for like 2 installs. Maybe I could talk them into sending me like a red or something. Like 5 packs of red, and I can mix it. Like do a Cruella on the next install. Because I don't think I'm going to use all this hair, but we'll see. Y'all know I got my, what you got it? Undercut. I got my undercut up under here. So, I really don't take a whole lot of hair. It really depends on what it is. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's up. Okay. So So this is my braid pattern, you know, it's just tacky as I want to be. Like I said on that first video that I did a couple weeks ago, it, you know, tells you how I did this right here. I know my braids ain't cute. I don't care. I don't never do them to be cute. If I do them for a client, which I ain't been taking clients for a long time, but when I did them for clients, of course, they was cute or whatever, but it's just me, you know what I'm saying? And as long as they secure, I'm good. So, y'all know I started with the individuals in the front and then work my way to the back. Then I just did this big little braid in the back. And it's fine. That's what we're gonna work with today. So this is my first time ever being in the presence of this hair. So let me see how it feels, how it smells, how all of that. We're finna get into all of that. Oh my God, I'm already feeling it and it feels so soft though. This is me getting it out the pack. It is so soft. Oh my, this feels like bundle hair. Oh my God. Wait, is this a gray hair? Is this human hair? This feels so soft. I can't. Girl, it's so soft. I'm not even joking. Like, it don't smell bad either. What does it smell like? It smells so familiar. It's giving me some nostalgia. It's bringing me comfort. I don't know what it is. I'm got my candle back there burning for my grandmother, y'all. She helping me today get through some stuff. Today is a hard day for me, I ain't gonna lie. Some of y'all might know what today is for me. Some of y'all might not. So, but I don't know what this smells like, but it is so familiar. It's taking my, I don't know. Anyway, the salt is so soft. I can't get over how, let me see how it's gonna fall like right here. That's, girl, it's gonna be, I just feel like this shit's gonna be so sexy. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait. I've never felt anything so soft. Like the leading brand, you know, it has like that kind of artificial texture to it. You know, it's kind of got a little bit crinkly to make it feel yucky, you know. But this doesn't, but it's not like that silky hair. Who was that by? I think it was by Easy Braid. That hair was, it felt like bundle hair too, but it was more of a silkier. This feels like you have 3C hair, maybe, yeah, no, by 3C hair, and you got it blown out. That's what it feels like. Can you see it? Look at this. Y'all, this hair feels so soft. I'm not kidding. I know I'm stuck on it, but this, I've never felt anything like this before. I'm not lying. I promise I'm not over exaggerating. Y'all know has had, you know, I've touched a million crochet hairs in my life, especially in the past few years. And you know, if it feel this, it feel that. But this really, like, this feels different. I'm not over exaggerating. If y'all have tried this hair before, go down in the comments and tell them. Go down in the comments and tell them. Because I'm telling you right now, like, I've never, it just feels, oh my God. The only thing I'm concerned about is slippage. Because it is very soft. It's not silky, but it's very soft. And I'm concerned about that. But I'm hoping that, you know, my double knot technique that I use to secure my knots, it will be okay. Let me just try to comb it. Let me see what happened here. When I comb it. Okay. Girl, this is like literally like a body wave. They should have called this body wave and not ocean wave. No lie. Like, this is a body wave. If I ever seen one. so excited. But I want to show y'all what I'm finna try with this perimeter. Show you this video. Well, not show you the video because I don't think I can show you the video, but show you what the lady do in the video to do the perimeter. So that's what we're gonna do. And then after that, you know, and just watch, and then I'll be back to tell you how I feel about that method. We're gonna see what happens. I feel like this is too much hair. I don't know. Like, cause literally, let me show you what they do. So they put the thing in there. I'm gonna just go through this braid. And I'm concerned because his hair is so soft. And this new method, like, I wouldn't be concerned if it was my method, but I don't know about this. Okay. And then they didn't hook it through. They just pulled one side through. Something like this. And then it went in somewhere else. All right. I'm going to go through the braid. I always like to go through the braid. And get the other side. And they brought it through. And that's what they did. Now my only concern is like that right there. Like that middle section. So what I did not see them do, and what I am going to do myself, and I feel like it'll be a little bit more secure and I'll feel better about it, I'm going to go in the middle right there. And I'm gonna get some from over here and get some from over here. Is that enough? Let me get a little bit more from over here. I feel like I have enough. I'm gonna get some of that. And I'm gonna go around and pull that through. I feel better about that. I feel better about that. I don't think that's going nowhere. I feel better. Okay. So that's what they do. And I mean, I ain't mad at it. Ain't no knot. It ain't no, you know, you ain't got to worry about nothing. It's just, I'm just concerned about it staying. But, you know, if you coming right here, right, and doing the other knot, you know, the other double-sided knot or whatever you do, I don't see what would be a problem. So, yeah, that's what we're going to try. Let's see what happens. So yeah. I'm gonna do it again. This. And okay. And I'm gonna actually go to the end right here. I feel like it'd be a little easy. That done. Okay. So it's just like going through, right? And then she goes some other spot. And I'm gonna go through the braid because that's just who I am. And right down. And see, okay, see, like right here, it's still like it's moving. But they say it secures once you know, put the other ones on top to go down the road. But I'm gonna take some of this and some of this. I'm gonna take a little bit more over here. And I'm going to go in the middle. I'm going in braid right there. Bring that down the middle. And when I do that, it don't really do that no more. So you see what I'm saying? That's gonna pop. Yeah, I'm already in love with this hair. I ain't lying. I'm already in love with it. And it ain't even done. You see how it's falling? You see what I'm saying? But imagine it like, you know what I'm saying, bigger. Like, this is going somewhere. Okay, so what we finna do now that we've done the entire perimeter, and I've only used one pack. This is what I have left out of the first pack, and we've done the entire perimeter. So yes, baby, giving. Yes, baby, yes. So I'm gonna get my back comb, and I need to find my eyebrow shaver. Boom. Now don't judge it, it's a little dirty because I was using it to put on a wig. You know, trying to borrow my stuff or whatever. So let's see if we're gonna apply the same technique that we've been doing. I'm gonna shave it towards the back just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna also do it right here. Now here I did not do a two-sided knotless. I just did knotless for it to come out on this side because I know that my parts are not gonna be this far. Ain't no need of me wasting time doing it. My part will at least be right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do this right here. I'm gonna do that. Go ahead, get the top of that. On the top of it. Okay. Let's do a little bit at a time. Now I'm gonna go through and brush that out. What I had in there. And I've been brushing it the whole time, so none of this is shaded. All of this is what we just cut out. This is all what we just cut out. Okay. So let's go in and begin back comb. I'm so excited to see what this is gonna turn out like. And I can even do it this way a little bit. Stay over there. Let's see. It's not really giving. So let me do it somewhere on this side. Because this is my first time dealing with this hair, like I said. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm doing. We're just trying to see. Look, trial and error here. Okay. Get that. Let's see. Y'all, this hair, I can't get over how soft this hair is. I really can't. Okay, hold on now. It's doing something. It's doing something. I feel like this just needs a little more. So we do have to cut it on this side as well. With this hair anyway. Get the little excess out. Okay. This is gonna be so sexy because it's almost straight, and I kind of been wanting some straight hair, but it's got a little bit of wave to it, so it's not so flat. You know, it's just like this body. It's just so soft, y'all. I can't get over how this hair feels. I literally can't. Just getting a little wild with it. Let's see what it's doing. What is it looking like? Okay. 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 Yeah. Because that's coming out of my scalp. That's coming out of my scalp. This is my hair. This is mine. For sure. Okay. So let me go and do the rest of this perimeter. Okay. And this had turned out bad being, you know, today and what today is for me. I probably would have been in a corner somewhat crying. Okay. Get that out and we can cut. Get that out the way. Boom. Boom. Okay. Here we go. I don't think it's doing much different. Girl. Get out. Okay. Okay. And like I said, that extra little wrap through, that really helped for me. And she might do that, you know what I'm saying? But she didn't show that in the video. You know how folks is, they show you a little bit and then won't show it all to you, which I don't think she probably was allowed to, I don't know. Or whatever, I don't think that was the intention. But then it'd be fools like me to figure that shit out, you know? But, so that, you know, I don't know. I don't know if she do something different after she looped it through that first time. Or she do it the way I did it. I don't know, but it helps a lot. Okay. Okay. Where my brow thing at? Okay. All right. And that's the thing. For this DIYers, this stuff right here, because you don't want to cut too much. You've been went through all that. Okay. And let's go to work. I'm a little hot. I'm gonna turn my fan on. Let's see. Did you plug up? I don't think this fan plugged up. I got hair everywhere, child. I don't know. Oh shit. Oh girl, you alright? Okay. What do I look like? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and fill in the back portion, and then when I get to the top, I'll do a row or two of, you know, the double-sided knotless. I've been thinking of trying a different way. I might do that off camera, and then if it works, then I'll come back with it. But you know, I don't know how that's gonna turn out. Girl, this is giving. I look crazy as hell. All right, I'll be right back.
Then they put you on trial. I was just a young child. Gave you 25 to life, all these years gone by, and you never asked why. All you did was pray to God, all you did was wait your time. Now you about to come home, and I'm about to have a child. It's gonna be worthwhile. It's gonna be worthwhile. Remember nights I cried, now we at the finish line. You was only 21 with a son on the run, no.
Okay, so I think my memory is low. Why is it telling me I only got 44 minutes? Okay, I'm gonna check that in a minute. Anyway, I started filling in these rows with a double-sided knotless, and I'm just going to see here. And one thing I noticed with this, I haven't had to secure it in the middle. If you can watch me, you know what I'm talking about. It's been like very tight without doing a double knot. Now I don't know if I regret that later or what. You know, if it ends up being a problem, I'll let you know, or I'll come back and put it in the description box later on if this video's, you know, posted before I take it out or whatever. But yeah, girl, I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on there. Okay, let me get that out of there. There's a kink in there. What's my back? Like, it already looked good without me doing all this, for real. Like, this is skipping. Okay, so y'all tell me that this ain't bundle hair. I'll wait. This is the next day, by the way. I didn't comb it out, anything. I got up, I did my makeup, did a few videos. Sorry, did a few videos. My best friend came by and she chilled and talked for a little bit. We made plans for my birthday or birthday weekend or whatever that's, you know, next week. Which will have been past by the time y'all see this, but whatever. And yeah, yeah. So it's been thrown around. This was the first time she was meeting Endora. So, you know, we're playing with the cat and, you know, all of that. So yeah, it's just been tossed around. However, and now the only thing, I can't say that it disappoints me because I haven't tried it yet, but it doesn't say anything on the package about any kind of curling it or anything like that. A lot of the crochet hair that's coming out now is at least heat resistant, so you're able to like straighten it out or maybe do a bump at the end or something like that. Nothing extravagant because of course it's synthetic hair. It's only so much you can do, but I mean, other than that, yeah, I might try it. I mean, I honestly might just try it on a piece that, you know, I have left over. And I used, how many packs I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have I have 5 full packs left, meaning that I used 4 packs and then like 1/4, maybe 1/2 of the 5th pack. So I have another install like waiting, and I'm so excited because this hair is popping. Yeah, this is bundled. This is giving bundles. This is bundles, and you're not gonna tell me no different. Okay, so let me take these pictures for y'all so I can stunt for a little bit. Okay. Oh, thank y'all for watching my video.
Bag, I'm racing the clock. Look at them flock, watching them flop. Used to see this in my sleep when I ain't had put my thoughts in the car. I really was lost. Now I'm public with the soundscapes. Floss, I'm really pulling strings for the pound cake. I see you went for a puppet in the clown face for a little wage. The talk of the town is late.